Hello, we are Sculptok. We just rolled out some new social features around Gallery. You can get to your personal portfolio from here or right here. There, you can add your own Facebook, edit your profile, and change up your nickname and bio to show everyone who you are. In Gallery on this page, you can see the details of the work you've posted. Check out how many likes and comments you've gotten, and also find your earlier favorites and inbox. In Gallery, you can follow anyone directly, send users private messages, and of course, you can also block or report someone. In Following, you can see everyone you follow and their latest updates. If you have any questions, like about techniques, and want to ask someone, you can also send them a private message. And in your inbox, you can see all your conversations with other users and stay connected anytime. What do you think of the new features? Let us know in the comments below. Please like and follow us. Thanks.